I'm Gary Phillips, a senior partner of Phillips & Lyon. There are many parts to a personal injury case, but the three basic areas are liability, damages, and proximate causation. Proximate causation is proving the damages were caused by the negligent party. Unfortunately, the plaintiff, or the person who is injured, has the burden of proof in a personal injury case. Burden of proof means that the person asking for compensation has to prove the three elements I've stated to be compensated. Let's discuss these three elements. Liability. We must prove the other party did not act like a reasonable person, also being known as negligent. For example, in a rear-end collision, we need to prove a reasonable person would have kept a safe distance and was traveling at a reasonable speed to avoid the collision. They should have also been able to stop in time to avoid the accident. Damages. We must prove that you have injuries and are treating with a doctor for those injuries. There is no case if the medical provider does not substantiate the injuries. Proximate causation. We must prove with the assistance of your medical providers the injuries were a direct result of the accident. We need to prove the injuries claimed are not pre-existing. We refer to the doctors as the experts on this and ask them to write reports or appear in court explaining the medical reasoning to prove that the injuries were a direct result of the accident. It is important that we prepare and present all three elements to the insurance company to get fair compensation for our clients. When you hire Phillips & Lyon, you really do hire Phillips & Lyon.